Hey traders, you've just created your Opofinance account and now you want to connect it to MetaTrader 5 and start trading. So this video is a perfect starting point for you. Whether you're using desktop or an Android device or an iPhone, I'll exactly show you the steps that you need to take to go through this process smoothly and easily. I'm Yassi and let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with the desktop. Start by logging into your Opofinance user panel. From the left-hand menu, go to Download Platforms, then select Apps. Now choose the version of MetaTrader 5 that suits your device and hit Download. And then once installed, go ahead and launch the MT5 app. On the startup screen, you'll see a search bar that asks you to enter a company name. Right? Then type out Opo Group and click on Find Your Company. You'll see Opo Group LLC appear in the list and select it and then click the Next. Now choose the Connect with an existing trade account. Since you already have it, enter your trading account number and password. Use your main password if you're going to trade, and if you want to go to just monitoring, use the investor password that's your account in read-only mode. Click Finish and you're all set. Now let's set it up to Android. Log into your Opofinance panel and then go to Download Platforms, click on Apps and then select MT5 for Android, download, install and then open the app. You'll be asked to accept some permissions settings, then tap Accept to move forward. Next, it may prompt you to open a demo account. Just tap the X to skip this step since we already have our Opofinance account ready. And now go to the search bar and type in Opo Group. Select Opo Group LLC from the list. Then just enter your trading account number and password and hit login. Right? I got a message. But reminder, use your main password to trade or the investor password if you want to view your account status. So, okay, if you're an iPhone user, this one's for you. Go to your Opofinance panel and then tap on Download Platforms and then select MT5 for iOS under the App tabs. And then once you've installed the app, open it up, of course, and you'll be prompted to open a demo account. Tap Cancel to skip. This closeness means that log in to an existing account, right? So in the search bar, tap Opo Group to find our servers. Select Opo Group LLC, make sure of that. Now simply enter your account number and password. Tap Sign In and then you're all set. But you need to use your main password if you're ready to trade, or the investor password if you're just checking your account status. And that's it, your iPhone is now connected to MT5 through Opofinance. And that's it. Whether you're using desktop, Android or iPhone, you now know how to connect your Opofinance account to MetaTrader 5 and start with confidence. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe so you're never gonna miss a tutorial of ours. And if you still have some questions, drop them in the comment below. We're happy to help. Till the next time, stay sharp and trade smarter. See ya.